Yeah, hello audience. So myself, Dr. Pawan Gupta. I'm a senior consultant in pulmonary medicine at BLK Max Superspeciality Hospital. And I had come to the Dr. Anushruti shows, basically where we discussed about the role of the respiratory medicine, especially in the kids, and what are the role of the inhalers, role of the nebulizers, or role of the air purifiers in day-to-day practice. So we also discussed about the common ailments which kids are suffering, or the regarding the bronchitis or the asthma, or about the COPD. So whatever the queries or the any doubt if you're in your mind, so you can ask me in your query box. So for this, I thanks all of you. Thank you.